Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic. How to check if your alternator is bad in 2025. If you've ever dealt with a car that won't start or has flickering lights, this could be the culprit. The alternator is like the heart of your car's electrical system, charging the battery and powering your electronics while the engine runs. Knowing how to spot issues can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's jump right in. First things first, start with a visual inspection. Pop the hood and look for any obvious signs of damage, like frayed belts, loose wires, or corrosion on the alternator itself. If everything looks okay, move on to testing the battery voltage. Use a multimeter set to DC volts and check the battery with the engine off. It should read around 12.6 volts. Now, start the engine and rev it up a bit. The voltage should climb to between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. If it's lower, that might indicate a weak alternator. Next, for a more precise check, connect your multimeter to the alternator's output terminal while the engine is running. You're aiming for that same 13.7 to 14.7 volts range. If it's not there, or if the reading fluctuates, your alternator might be failing. Don't forget to listen for unusual noises, like grinding or whining, which could signal internal problems. Also, pay attention to dashboard warning lights. If the battery light stays on, that's a red flag. One more thing. In 2025, many modern cars have advanced diagnostics, so if you have an OBD2 scanner, plug it in and look for error codes related to the charging system. Remember, safety first, always wear gloves and eye protection when working under the hood. Wrapping this up, checking your alternator is straightforward, but if you're not comfortable or the tests point to a problem, take your car to a professional mechanic. They've got the tools and expertise to fix it right. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.